Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a video comparing First Aid Beauty's Coconut Water Cream and the new Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. So stick around. The first cream that I'm going to go in with on half my face is the Coconut Water Cream. So online, this cream says that it is for normal skin. It targets dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness, and uneven texture. The consistency of the cream is super lightweight, super watery, goes on the skin very smoothly, so you can see I'm applying it to the right side of my face, and we're going to keep it there for the day, and we'll check up again later. Coconut water is not to be confused with coconut oil because coconut oil is very high on the comedogenic scale, meaning that it can clog pores, whereas coconut water is different and it's actually very hydrating. Now on the left side of my face, I'm going to be applying the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer. This is more for normal combination and oily skin since it does say that it's mattifying. The main skin concerns this cream targets is dryness, oiliness, and pores. One of the ingredients in this cream is hyaluronic acid, which I do love in all my skincare because it's really good at retaining moisture. It's actually a humectant that boosts skin's moisture content, helps skin appear smoother, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I think this would be very important in a mattifying product or a product that claims to mattify your skin because mattifying can be kind of drying, so I hope that the hyaluronic acid really retains some of the moisture. So I'm going to keep these on all day and I will update you guys a little bit later.
Hey guys, so I just filmed an update. I'm filming on my phone and it was basically filming my wall. I did have a nice camera that I ended up selling a few months ago because I was like, oh, I never use it, and now that I finally want to start making some videos, I don't have it. So I'm filming on my phone for the time being until I get a camera. Not complaining. But anyways, I'm doing an update. It's about 5:11 here. I put the two creams on my face. I don't know why I'm holding this. I put the creams on my face at around 10:30 this morning. It's 5 p.m. now, so I'm just gonna give a little update before I do a workout. Hold on, let me get the super close magnifier out. The true test is on my nose. That is where I get all my oiliness. Like I find like all over my skin, I have pretty like normal skin. Like it's not super dry and it's not super oily. Like maybe that's combination, but I find like I don't have dry skin. It's just oily on my nose. I got an oily nose with blackheads, okay? I put the coconut water cream on the right side and the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer on the left hand side. And this is the new one. So this one's been out for a while, I believe, because I've seen YouTubers recommend it, which is why I tried it. And this is the new one. And it literally says on the back that it's for oily skin. So typically when I put a moisturizer on before, like when I didn't really know about skincare, I put like any moisturizer on, it'd be oily within like 20 minutes. Like you could just see the oil droplets like forming, and that's obviously because I didn't know the proper moisturizers for my skin. I was probably using like thick occlusive ones where I really should be going for more of a gel one. So on the right hand side where I use the coconut water cream, there's like the slightest little bit of shininess on the right side of my nose, whereas where I use the mattifying one, there's literally not a single drop of oil. Like it literally mattified. So if that's what you're looking for, I'd say this is a pretty good option. The only thing I noticed, and I'm going to update a little bit like in a few more hours, but I find like it may not be moisturizing enough for my normal area. Like it definitely is matte. Sometimes I do like going for that like dewy, plump, kind of almost wet. I'm just like contradicting myself because I don't want my nose to be wet, but I want like all around here to be wet. So anyways, I'm going to work out. I think I'm either gonna go for a run outside if it's not too cold, or I'll do a home workout. Either way, I'll try to be back around 7 o'clock to do a final update, and that's gonna be the true test, is how it's going to stand up against working out and actually sweating. On the right side, there's like minimal. I'd say like 1 out of 10 oiliness that I like used to get before. And then on the left hand side, it's like 0 out of 10, like 0 oil. So they're actually doing what it says they're gonna do. They both say I always screw this word up, non-comedogenic gel cream. Yeah, non-comedogenic essentially means it's not going to clog your pores. All right, I don't care what kind of moisturizer you guys are using, nothing will be better than fresh agua. Let me tell you, ugh, that looks gross, but it's ginger, lemon, lime water. That's my second jug of the day. Try to keep it interesting, but honestly, water intake, when I increased it, that was the biggest change in my skin. But that's not what the movie is about. The video. So let's get back to it. All right, let's put this big burning circle back on. I apologize for the greasy hair, but I'm trying to go like 3 days, then 4 days of not washing my hair. I am taking body showers, but I'm just trying to train my hair, get it to grow a bit more. So 8.5 hour update post when I initially put on my moisturizers. So I did do, since my last update around 5 o'clock, I did do a half an hour bike. I did get a little bit of a sweat going, so that's what I wanted to do to check the cream's reaction. And then I did do like a clean at the house, so I was doing a lot of exercise today, so we will see how they hold up. Let me do a little check. All right, I gotta use a zooming mirror because that's how you're gonna know. I should mention that I did not have any other like serums or anything on my face. All I did was I used my kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser from Youth to the People. And then I did use the Paula's Choice Pore-Reducing Toner with niacinamide, but those are the only 2 things that I used today, just because I wanted to see the true effect of the creams on my face. Oh shit. So again, I had the coconut water cream on the right side and the Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer on the left. I can honestly say that there is not a massive difference between the 2. Although I do see a little bit of a difference as time went on. I feel like the left side feels a little bit more, don't want to say dry because it's not like I can't move my face, but there seems to be a little bit more moisture in the coconut water cream, which makes sense because it is for more normal skin. The left side I see is just like the tiniest bit more matte. The right side, maybe there's like a little bit of more like hydration in there, as opposed to the left where it's like completely matte. And I know I shouldn't be touching my face, but I think it comes down to what you prefer and what your skin type is. If you're normal skin, and again, I'm no specialist, I'm just talking from experience because I purchased these with my own money and I'm just wanting to tell you so you don't have to waste your money if you don't want to, but you know, I think this whole line is for sensitive skin because it is very fragrance free. There may be like a little bit of added shine after the day, but honestly compared to normal, this is like no oil. Like it literally does what it says it's going to do, and that's mattify and control your oil. So either of these 2 I believe are good options. I would go for the coconut water cream if you're more normal skin, but normal skin that kind of wants still to control a little bit of shine. Like you're not gonna get that dewy, glowy, plump, wet type of look. So you can just see from the consistency, and the name is water cream, you're not gonna get like hella hydration. You're gonna get like a good amount, just not too much. And then if you have more oily skin, like all over, or if you just want to apply this on the nose, me personally, I think moving forward, I'm going to apply this on my nose and then apply a slightly more hydrating moisturizer like this one possibly, or even like the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion, I believe it is, kind of on my cheeks, neck, forehead. And then I'm gonna apply this one on my nose where it is oily. If you have more oily skin, I would say this would be perfect to use all over. was my point? I would go for the new Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisture. It is a mouthful, but I would go for this one if you're more on the oily side. But honestly, looking at my face, there is not like a huge difference. So if there's one on sale over the other, I'd go for that one, because this one actually was on sale when I bought it, so I was pretty happy. Thank you guys for staying tuned throughout my whole day, my whole trial. I will have these two linked in the description box below, just if you guys do want to check them out. If you do use one of the links, I do get a small commission if you do purchase it. I'm not sponsored. I'm not big enough to be sponsored. My thing is more like, that's just if you guys want to, or if you want to try this product. It doesn't change the price for you. It just gives me a little bit of motivation to keep making some more videos and keep posting and keep purchasing products for you guys to try. If you do try one, please let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. I would love to hear your experience with it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.